Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto pestle and mortar easy method. Start by crushing 2 garlic cloves with a pinch of salt to a smooth paste, then add 60 g toasted pine nuts and grind until coarse. Add basil leaves in batches, bruise and mix, then fold in 30 g Parmesan and drizzle 60 ml olive oil until you reach a loose, textured sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning. We'll gather simple ingredients and prep them quickly for a smooth pesto. Measure 60 g pine nuts, 30 g Parmesan, 60 ml olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, and a generous handful of basil leaves. Chop garlic roughly and zest optional lemon if you like brightness. Keep ingredients at room temperature to release oils and flavor. Toast pine nuts briefly for nuttiness. Set up your mortar and pestle on a damp towel to stabilize it during pounding. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support simple cooking tips and more. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers you can see here for storing extra pesto and packed lunches. They nest and seal tightly, so you avoid spills and waste. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set to save time. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll guide you through the technique so your pesto is balanced and textured. Start by crushing the garlic and salt into a smooth paste, then add pine nuts and grind until broken down. Fold in basil leaves a handful at a time, pressing and twisting to release oils without pureeing to liquid. Incorporate Parmesan and slowly add olive oil until you reach a loose, chunky sauce. Taste and season with salt or a squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.